In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the legacy REST API for Woocommerce. This process is straightforward and should take about 5 minutes. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to visit wordpress.com. This is where you can manage all your WordPress sites, especially if you're using Woocommerce for your e-commerce needs. Open your preferred web browser and type in wordpress.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner, and you will see a button labeled Login. Click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your information. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're on the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Woocommerce settings. To do this, look on the left-hand side menu for Woocommerce. Hover over it until a drop-down menu appears. Then click on Settings. This is where we will configure your Woocommerce store settings to enable the legacy REST API. Once the settings page has loaded, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Advanced tab. This section allows you to manage more technical aspects of Woocommerce, including API settings. As we're focusing on the legacy REST API today, the Advanced tab is where we really want to be. After selecting Advanced, you'll see yet another set of options further down the page. Select the option labeled Legacy API. This is an important section, as enabling the legacy REST API will allow you to make API requests and integrate additional functionality with Woocommerce. Upon entering the Legacy API section, you will find a toggle switch or checkbox labeled Enable the Legacy REST API. Simply click to enable it. Enabling this feature allows Woocommerce to handle requests from older APIs that some plugins still use for integration. It's a handy feature for compatibility, especially if you're using older plugins that haven't been updated to work with the newer versions of the Woocommerce REST API. Once you have completed these steps, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page and click on it. This ensures that all the modifications you've made are stored and active. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to enable the legacy REST API for Woocommerce on your WordPress site. By following these steps, you're ensuring your Woocommerce store remains versatile and compatible with various plugins and integrations. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.